Kanja Narasimha. Okay, guys. Okay, employee EMP. Okay, fine, guys. So let's move on. Let's move on, and we will see the its implementation class. Okay, na? So come inside that its implementation class. Okay. So okay, fine. So what is the alt shift s plus v? We will override that super class method inside that what in implementation class. Okay. So what is that? Okay. So okay. So no problem. Okay, na? ht dot, what is that? ht dot which method? Update method we will call, right? Update method we will call what? Update method. Okay. Okay, we will call what is that? Update method. Okay, now inside that we will pass this enp. Okay, no problem. Okay, pass this one. Okay, and this one, this okay, this one will not return anything. Okay, na, because we taken what is that? Wide return type. Okay, na, wide return type. Okay, so fine, guys. Okay, na. So okay, so come to service class also, right? Come to what is that? Copy this method only. Why we will waste the time? Okay, because we will write the same method there also, right? So okay, so come in the service class. Where the service class? Okay, open this one. Okay, open this one. Okay, paste it here. Okay, after pasting that, what we will do now? We will come, it's a implementation class. Okay, so here in its implementation class, what we will do now? What we will do now? Alt shift s plus v, guys. Okay, alt shift v. Okay, fine. Now, so again, what we will do now? What we will do now? On the top of we will apply, because this is the non-select operation. So which annotation? Transaction at the rate transaction, right? At the rate transaction. We don't have need to pass any argument, guys. Okay. So again, what is that? What is that? DAO dot. What is that? Update, right? Update employee. Okay, na? Pass the employee only. Okay. So fine. So everything is completed. So come to controller class, guys. Okay, come to controller class. Okay, now we will write the logic. What logic we will write it? Okay, so okay, now update, right? Update. Let's take one, write one method. Okay, now what is that? Public string, public string update employee, right? Update employee emp. Just take the emp. Okay, na? So okay, so what we are updating? The employee, right? Employee object only, right? Employee object only. Okay, so fine, guys. Okay, so fine. So what is that? Just return null. Return null. After null, I'm returning the null. After writing the logic, we will write it. Okay, so okay, so fine. What is that? We are sending the data, right? So which methodology we will use? At the rate post mapping, right? At the rate, what is that? Post mapping. Inside that, what we will do now? Let's take update path. Okay, na? Update method. Okay, na? So after then, but the object also coming, right? So what is that? At the rate model attribute, right? Model attribute employee emp, right? Emp. Okay, after then, what is that? Model map, right? Model map. Okay, these two argument we will take inside this method. Okay, after then come to here. Okay, na? Now from here onward, our main story is started, guys. Okay, our main story is started. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so what is that? What we will do now? Map dot, no, sorry, service dot what is that? Service dot, what is that? Update method we will call. Okay, update employee. Okay, na? Inside that, what we will do now? This employee argument, this employee we will pass it. Okay, after passing that, okay, so this one return type is nothing, guys. Okay, na? Oh, okay, after updation, what we will do now? Okay, after updation, list of employee we have need. Okay, na? To redirect over what is this page. Okay, na? Updation. After then we will see this page. Okay, right? We will see that page. Okay, na? So for that, what we will do now? Come to here. Okay, na? Come to here. What is that? Controller. Okay, na? So again we will call service dot, what is that? Service dot, what is that? Get all emp object, right? Get all emp object, list of emp object. Okay, na? After then come, this method will return what is that? List of employee, right? This method will return what is that? List of employee, right? Okay, so list of employee, right? List of emp. Fine, guys, list of emp it will return back. Okay, na? This one will return what is that? List of emp. Okay, so after then, what is that? The same thing we will do this one, right? This one. Okay, copy the same thing only here. No, I will not copy, I will write front of you people. Okay, m dot, what is that? add attribute, because we are going to redirect the things on the that page only. But so based on this page only, what is that, based on this page only we will return back everything, because already we taken what is that list, right? This one must be the same, otherwise we will get the error, guys. Okay na, in the controller. So what is that, what we are exposing now in this one, list, right? So here also we will take the list only, list. Okay na, list. After then what we will return back, what we will return back, this list. Okay na, list emp, right? List, what is that, list emp we will return from here, list employee. Okay na. After then what is that, same page only, right? Same page, what is that, same page, what is the page name, data, right? Data, right? data, data. Okay, fine, guys. Now the things is completed. Shall we see that? So let's see that, right? Let's see as a practically, right? Let's see the things as a practically, it's working or not, as expected this things is working or not. Okay na, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so now I'm running again the application. Okay, so now let's run the application. Hmm. Okay, so our application is running now, guys. Okay, so come here. Okay, so okay, but this is the form, right? So how we can make one things we did mistake. Okay na. So what is the controller, right? What is the update? So update, right? Update. Okay na. So which one, from edit page? Okay, this is edit page is there, right? Inside that, what is that, model attribute we taken, but form action also we have need to give, right? Form action. What is that, action? Okay, action. Inside that we will pass that url. After then what is that, methodology, we will use the methodology is what, a post, method post, post. This one I did mistake. Okay, okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, here what is that, save. Okay, now update, not a save, update, up up date, right? Update, fine. Yeah, this one is fine. Okay, now let's run again one more time. Let's run one more time. Okay. Taking time, guys. Okay, now be patient. Okay, be patient. Everything I'm giving real things. Okay, na, utilize it, yaar. Utilize. This is really. I'm so happy for these people. Okay, na. Who's the name? I'm giving the Manjulata, Padma, Puspendra, Sati, Suraj. These people really, you people are awesome. Kanchan, Nasimha. Okay, na. Ishwar, Akhilesh. These people are dedicated, right? Right. It's really definitely. One day you people will do wonders, guys. Okay, now till now, already you people are working. I know that, but don't worry about that. If you this much serious, yeah, why not? Why not? Okay, na. So okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, na. So let's run it. Okay, na. So what we will do now? So okay, fine, guys. So what is that? So oh, come here in the controller. What is that? Taking, I forget it. I forget it. Okay, na? Edit, right? Edit based on no data. I need first. We will take the data. Okay, data. Let's take the data. Okay, data. Hit it. Okay, hit it. Okay, we got it right. Click on the edit button. Click on the edit button. Amit will, if okay, next time I will take Padma. Okay, another time Pushpendra. Okay, if everything I will update, edit it, guys. Okay, so we got it right. I want EMP password, right? I don't want this EMP password. Okay, na? Just I want Amit PWD. This one I want. Okay, na? After then address, just address also something I'm taking. Just my name only. Ravikant, TRIPATHI. Okay, that's it. Okay, na? Now click on the update button. Okay, see what is that updated employee address Ravikant. Okay, na? After the employee password Amit PWD. This one only I changed, guys. Okay, na? This one only I changed, right? I hope, okay, no problem. Okay, observe Padma employee password is ADSA. See, observe it here, guys. Observe it. Okay, na? Observe it. Okay, na? ADS is there, right? And employee address is something is there, right? Okay, na? Let's edit it. This one. Okay, na? Click on the edit button. I'm going to click on the edit button, guys. Okay, na? Let's see that. I clicked on. I got the form, right? See the female. After then, what is that? I'm making the Padma. PADMA Padma. Okay, na Padma USA. U USA. This is the password I'm making that. Okay. After then, okay, I'm taking the Padma USA. Okay, USA XYZ. XYZ. Okay, na? Now I'm clicking the update button. See that, guys. See that. Okay, na? See, come. What is that? Padma EMP password Padma USA. After then, what is the employee address? Padma USA XYZ. I taken, right. See, updation is happened or not? Like that, we are giving the end user like that by clicking the button. What we can able to edit or not? We can able to edit our page or not? Okay, so what is the magic? What is the magic? What is the magic? Because of that, this operation, because of these things is happened based on that what? Based on that Spring Form Tag library, right? If anyone is asking in the real time where we are using, what is that Spring Form Tag library, then you people can able to tell or not. In this scenario, we are taking what is that Spring Form Tag library to make our page, to make our page as what? Bi-directional. To make our page as what? Bi-directional, right? So like that we are using. Okay, na? Like that we are using. Okay, so till now the things is completed, but it's not meaning that what is that our end user needs some time. What is that our end user need to delete this record also, right? So to delete this record also, right? So for that, let's do that operation, right? So but what we will do now, first we will understand as a what? Diagrammatically. Okay, na? First we will understand the things as a diagrammatically. After then we will implement in the project. Okay, after then we will implement in the project. Shall we move on, the guys? Till now the any doubt is there? Anyone any doubt is there? Let me know that, friend. Let me know that. Use the chat box, yeah, at least based on your input, right? Okay. 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 Don't worry. I will give this project also, right? I will give this project also. Just see once. Okay, na? Just see once. Okay, guys. Okay, na? So what we will do now, again, here we will give one delete button, right? Delete link. Okay, na? So for that, we will give the delete button. So what will happen now? This record, one record will delete it, right? Based on that, if we click on that button, right? If we click on that button, what will happen now? The record, this record will what will this record, if the end user will click on that button, right, this record will delete. Okay, na? After, if the end user wants to delete this record, then here we will give one input, right? Input delete button. Based on that delete button, end user will delete this record. Okay, na? End user will delete this record. Okay, so this is our scenario. Okay, na? This is our scenario, and we will implement these things. Okay, na? We will implement these things. Okay, so next our discussion is this one. Okay, guys, this one only. Okay, so okay, fine. Okay, fine, friend. So let's move on. Let's move on, and we will see that. Okay, na? We will see that. Okay, so okay, so now what is that? Let's understand first what is that as a diagrammatically things. Okay, na? So what is that? Okay, come here. So the scenario is we will give one link, right? We will give one link to end user. Okay, na? To end user. Whenever end user will click on that button, right? On that button, delete button. Think about that. We are giving to end user delete button, right? Whenever end user will click on the delete button, right? So what will happen now? What will happen now? Based on the ID, we know that based on the ID we are deleting the record. Okay, na? So based on the ID we are deleting the record. So again, what will happen now? It will come to controller. After then, what is that? It will interact to service. After then, service to DAO, right? After then, based on that primary key, right? Based on the primary key, our what is that? Our application will select that, delete that row, right? That delete that record. Okay, na? Delete that record. Okay, na? After then, again request will come to return back to our controller, and the same page. Okay, na? Same page we will update it. Okay, na? Same page we will update. This is our next scenario. Okay, na? This is our what next scenario. Okay, na? So let's implement first. But what is that? For deleting purpose, right? For the deleting purpose, let's see that what is the methodology. Okay, na? So methodology, which methodology we will take it. Okay, na? Which methodology we will take it. Okay, so what is that? Public. Okay, na? Public. What is that? Public. Okay, so the return type is what is that? Void. Okay, na? Void. After then, what is that? Delete. What is that? Delete employee, right? Employee. Delete employee. Inside that, we know that we will select what is that? We will delete based on that in primary key, right? So integer, right? ID, right? Integer ID. Okay, na? Based on this one, this is our methodology will be there. Okay, na? So let's write in the service class. Okay, na? Let's write these things in the service class, and we will implement it. Okay, na? So we will implement it. We will implement it. Okay, na, guys? Okay, so okay, come here. Okay, come here. Okay. Hmm. So where we will go now? Come to where? Employee DAO. Open the employee DAO layer, right? Inside that employee DAO layer, what we will do now? Public. What is that? Void. Public void. Public void. What is that? Delete, right? DELETE, right? Delete employee. Okay, na? After then, what we will do now? Integer. What is that? EMP. Just ID, right? Integer. Okay, this is the method, but this is the interface. So where we will write the implementation class, right? We have need to write the logic, its implementation class. Okay, na? So fine, friend. Okay, so come here. Okay, so what we will alt shift S plus V. Okay, na? So little bit different things is there here, guys. Please observe it, because we are going to delete the object, right? So fine. So fine, guys. Okay. Shall I override? Uh, I Yeah, I taken one. Okay, no problem. We can do it. Okay, na? I already taken one argumented constructor in the model class, guys. Okay, na? Okay, I will use the. Okay, no, it's okay. Okay, I taken, see, based on that zero param constructor, one parameterized constructor. Based on the ID I taken. Okay, na? So I will pass that object in the directly. Okay, na? Okay, see that. Okay, na? See that. Okay, so what we will do now? Otherwise, we have need to set the ID in the object. After then we have need to take the get. Okay, na? So no need to do those things. Okay, na? No need to do those things, because I taken a parameterized, one single parameterized constructor. Okay, so okay, so now, okay, what is that? Ht dot, what is that? Delete, right? Delete method we will call. Okay, na? Inside that, what is that? New, what is that? New employee, right? The object is not coming, employee object. Why? New. Already 1 minute. The model data has been taken already, right? Employee already there, right? Why it's not coming? Okay. New, what is that? EMPLOY, employee, right? Anonymous. I want to create one anonymous friend. Okay. Already there, one parameterized constructor I already taken, yeah. But still, okay. 1 minute in a model class. Okay, na? Come here. Oh, nah, no, no, no. Okay, let's take one parameterized constructor based on the ID. Okay, na alt shift s plus o. Okay, in the model class I want. Okay, guys, alt shift s plus o. What happened? Alt shift s plus o. Okay, na deselect all. Deselect all. Just I need ID. I need ID. Okay, na to deleting for. So for that I taken one parameterized constructor based on the ID. Okay, na based on the ID. Okay, come to DAO class. Okay, na now fine. The things will be in our control. Okay, take this one. Okay, na okay. Here what we will do now? ID pass the ID. Why? Still it's giving. What is the problem? Constructor employee integer is undefined. Why undefined? Already I taken na, in the employee class. 1 minute. Oh, I'm not saving that. Now the fine. Now the fine. Okay. Okay. So okay na we will pass the ID. Okay na we will pass the ID. Okay. So otherwise we have need to create here employee object, right? Employee object. After then we have need to set that employee object. Then we have need to delete it. Okay na. So I don't want to do those things. Okay. What is the use? So or we can do like this also, guys, because we are taking the setter getter method, right? So what we will do now, we will create employee e equal to new employee, right? Employee. Okay, new employee. Okay, now after then what we will do now, what we will do now, okay, so we will do like e dot what is the set id, e dot what is that set id, right? Emp set emp id, set emp id. Inside that we will pass this argument, right? So we will set that data, and what we will do now, just remove this one, just remove this one, and we can do like this. Okay na, little bit deleting operation is different. Okay na, so for that I don't want to do, because of that what I taken one single parameterized constructor based on the id. So under that id I'm passing the anonymous object, so memory wastage will be not there. New employee, new employee, what is that? New employee. Inside that what I'm doing now, id, just I'm passing that. Okay na, that's it. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, so let's move on and let's see that next discussion. Okay na, so let's write the service class. Okay, let's write the service class. Okay, so where it is, where it is, come here, right here, where the service class. Yeah, so same na, copy this one. Okay na, copy this one, come to service class. Okay na, come to service class. Okay, paste the method. Okay na, paste that method in the service class. After then what we will do now, come its implementation class. Okay na, come its implementation class, we will give the implementation of that class. Okay, so now alt shift s plus v. Okay, so, okay guys, so now okay, so fine. So after then what we will do now, at the rate transactional, right? We are performing what is that non-select operation. Okay, so at the rate transactional, fine. Okay, at the rate transactional, guys. Okay, so delete it. Okay, fine. So after then what we will do now, DAO dot what is that? Delete method we will call, and we will pass the ID, right? Okay, so now thing is completed, guys. Okay, come to controller. Okay, come in the controller class. Okay, na? So okay, so fine. So first what we will do now, we will take one method, right? One method here. What is that? Public, what is that? String, what is that? Delete, right? Delete employee, delete employee. Inside that we have need two argument, guys. Okay, return null. I'm just returning null. After then I will return the page. Okay, so what is that? What is that? After this one also, after clicking that get, right? At the rate get, what is that? What is that? Inside that we will take the path as what? Slash what is that? Delete, right? After then what we will do now, inside that we will take what is that, at the rate request parameter, because we will say send the id, right? Request param integer, right? Request param integer id. Okay, so after then what is that? Model map. We will take what is that? Model map. Okay na, model map, fine. So okay, so now okay guys, here inside this method what we will do now, what we will do now, okay, let's do that. Okay, let's do that. What we will do now, okay, service dot what is that? Service dot what is that? delete. We will call the delete method. Inside that we will pass that id. Okay, inside that we will pass that id, but this one will not return anything. Okay, so after then what we will do now, we will redirect this page, right? We will redirect this page. So come again in the controller, right? So what we again we will call the list of what is that service dot service dot get what is that all employee, list of employee. After updation we will take the list of the same page. Okay, so after then what is that list, right? List of what is that employee, list of employee, right? emp. Okay, fine guys. So now again what is that, add the map dot what is that, map dot add attribute. Okay, map dot what is that, add attribute. The same thing, list is there, right? So same thing we will take this one also, because we are redirecting the same page. Okay na, if anything is changed then we will get the error guys. Okay, so now fine guys. So here what we will do now, just pass the employee list. Okay now, here pass the emp, that's it. Okay, so now again what is that, where we will redirect data page, right? So here we will return the data page only guys. Okay, data page. Okay, here we will return the data page. Fine. Okay, till now the things is completed guys. Okay, so come to GSP page. Okay, come to the GSP page. Here also we have need to take something, right? So what we will do now, just copy the same thing only, just copy the same thing in only here only the paste it. Okay now, after then paste it. So okay, so this, okay, paste it. Okay, so now okay, so here what is that, edit is there, right? But in the controller what is, what we wrote now, what is that, delete, right? So take this one, delete. Okay, copy this one, come to edit page. Okay na, make this one as a what, delete. Okay, that's it, make this one this change. Okay, and we have need to, based on the id only we will delete, and make this one also delete. Okay, so now let's run the application and we will see that. Okay, let's run the application and we will see that. Yeah, we can take it that one also, Padma. Okay na, we can take it, no problem. Yeah, so come to our data page. Okay na, just what I'm going to do now, this is the data page, right? Data page. Okay na, how many data is there? Okay, wait it, we will see that. Okay. Yeah, here. Okay, no, call span if we use na, then it will become. Okay, leave it. Let's do it that one also. Why? Okay, here what is that? Here this one, right? Here use the call span. That's it. Call is call span. Make the two. That's it. That's it. Refresh the page. These things like action is like this. It look like no. Refresh this. Okay. See now the format is good, right? It look like good, guys. Okay, na? Use the chat box. Yeah, this is a small things, but at least if you use the chat box, if I know that, right? Then you people is, yeah. Okay. So, okay. So what is that scenario? I want to delete the Amit, right? I want to delete the Amit. Okay, na? Okay. So what we will do? Another one. Okay, na? Okay. Let's delete the Amit. Whenever we will click it, let's see that. Amit is deleted or not? Amit is deleted or not from the database, guys? See that in the same page only we are getting the reflection. Okay, na? Okay. So Pushpendra. Okay. So yeah, now what is that, I want to delete the this one Padma also, right? Let's delete it. Okay, Padma also deleted. I want everyone delete. Okay, everything is deleted. You want to see that in the database data is there or not? Okay, let's refresh. Data is not there in the database also. This is the old, guys. Okay na, see, there is no data, there is no data. Okay na, so come to again, come to here. Okay na, what we will do now, come to here. Okay na, come to here. Okay na, so again what is that, here what is that, I'm taking what is a Padma. Padma, okay na, password is something something, okay na, female. After then again, what is that? After then what is that? India, okay, register now. Okay, so no problem. Okay, we are not fulfilling, we perform the validation, right? Okay, for record is actually the id is generator is taking, okay na, so don't worry about that id. For only one record will be there. Come to, let's see that only one record is there. Okay, only one record is there. Okay, come here again. Okay na, another one is what, another one is what, Amit. After then password is anything, after then mail, after then this one also. Okay, so India. Now save it. Okay, so two record is stored. Okay na, two record is stored now. Okay guys, so come here again. What is that? What is that? Come to our data url. Okay, data url, two record is came or not? See, in the database also two record will be there. See, two record is there, and on the same things. Okay na, on the gsp also, right? After then if you want to edit it anything, click on that, this form will come. Okay na, based on that, what is that? Primary key. But if you want to what is that, edit the primary key, you can't edit, because what is that, what concept I use in the gsp page? Read only equal to true I made, right? That field I made, what is that? Read equal to true, right? So because of that we are unable to, what is that, edit the id. But another thing, okay, Padma is there, right? So what is that, another Prasuna I will take, right? Prasuna, right? I'm taking the name of Prasuna, just I'm updating it. Okay, na? So see that name will become, what is that, Prasuna or not? Okay, so now I